Katie's candy store. How nice! Looks like Pinky's got cash. Holy! Are you buying the whole store? There's gonna be nothing left for Amina after Hales is done. OMG! All good now. Katie's rich! Woo! Talk about the sale of the century. Whoa there! Haley! Your candy is pinkified? Way cool! It's her lucky day. So yummy! What's left for Mina, I wonder? Got anything for $1? Maybe. Here, a candy bar. It matches you. While Kate and Hale chat it up, Amina gets an idea. She switches carts. Oh my! What now, huh? Amina goes in to try a candy. Yum yum! And it turns black, just like our theme. But it's totally burnt over. So let's try another, okay? Rock, hard, coal. No, no, no! What have you done? No! This cart looks like a fireplace! Look! Nice try, girl. Haley is getting ready for tonight's party. And the crown jewel? The most gorgeous cake I have ever seen! What is it, Hale? Need some precious gems to spice it up. Jeez Louise, that's gotta run you a fortune, huh? But dang, it is shimmery. Alright, let's go! Amina, what are you doing here? The masterpiece is revealed, and Amina's giving herself some artistic freedom. Ah yeah, spice that baby up. Yummy dark chocolate. Wonderful work! Not sure how Pinky is gonna feel about this. Oh, and you know what? These gems have got to go. Let's add these crunchy choco sticks. Dark chocolate raspberry cake. Ah, life could be a dream. Oh no, looks like this new renovation does not fly with Pinky. You ruined her perfect day! Ah! And so it begins. Stop! No! Watch out! Guys, bad news! The guests are here! Awkward. Oh, great. Hey, girl! Ooh, that looks refreshing. Who's at the door? Amina! She's not here to hang. She's here to… clean the house? Oh my! Haley says, hurry this time! You were at it forever the last time you came. Ugh! Haley girl, the art of cleaning takes time. How utterly rude. No one talks to our sweet maid like that. Let's show her. Amina fills Hale's brush with sauce. Oh goodness. And pop that baby back on. It's like nothing ever happened. Perfect. Now what damage can we do here? Mwahaha. When in doubt, pool and noodle it out. Ah, I see where we're going with this. Open this closet and get a free whipped cream facial. Courtesy of RATATA Cleaning Services, LLC. Woo! Chocolate spread. Hee-hee! And now we wait for Haley. Oh, Haley! All done, and we beat the time! She seems to be satisfied. Okay. Now to brush. Jerry will be here soon. What? Ah! What in the world? Anyway, round 2. A real double prank whammy. Oh, darn it. And part 3. A chocolate shower. Oh no! Nice one, Amina. Ladies, looky here! Some jelly treats. Gummy honey jelly for Haley. Yum, yummy! Have a bite. Ah, okay, teddies, you're mine, oh mine. Ooh, honey jelly for Rena. But how can we spice things up? I mean, Haley's got gummies in hers. Think! Got it! We'll fill up this empty soda bottle. Perfect idea! Careful now. Be sure not to get that stickiness anywhere. You got it! Awesome! Now for the candy. Yes! Into the bottle it goes! Black dye for the win. A little goes a long way here. All that's left to do is mix up the yummalicious concoction. Shake, shake, shake it up! Okay, that should be perfect. Time to chill this bad boy. See ya! Haley, you're gonna want to witness this greatness. Look! Presenting Honey Jelly Candy Cola! Come on, have a squish. So yummy! And uber colorful. Slurpy slurp. Haley asks for a bite. Huh? Oh, sure. Just close your eyes and Rena will squeeze some. Eek! But it's not honey jelly she's giving. It's extra icy toothpaste. Oh, God! Not pleasant. Let's go! Sweet and spicy for Mo. Rainbow candy. Super chewy for Miss Jess. Fantabulous! Heat those up. All gone? Man, you're fast. A pump. How's that gonna work? Not buying it. What? Looks like I spoke too soon. Mel supersized her candy. Holy moly, guacamole! She's basically got unlimited sweets now. Wow, wow, wow! Jealous much? Oh, stop it with those puppy dog eyes. You know we can't deny those. Only one? Fine. More? No way! Farmer J here. 1 seed, please. Huh? Thanks, miss. Superwoman! Heard you were giving out candy? Ha! 1 piece per character. Hope this girl's got a lot of costumes. This is awesome! Hey, handyman. Cool stash you got there. Hello, alien! Spooky! She comes in peace! Poor Mel. Nerdo! You want one too? Man. This girl's running out of snacks! Fast! Welcome back! I think Mel's gonna be able to tell where all those treats went. I see that tummy. Take that! This challenge is a tough one. You gotta drink your milk before the time runs out. Jeez Louise, look at the size of those things! This is gonna be impossible! Not with these super funky glasses. What do glasses have to do with anything, you ask? Why, these puppies double as straws! Crazy, I know. The competition is fierce. And both girls are in it to win it. Oh my gosh. Step it up, Mel. Huh? Mel grabs Jess's straw and puts it into her choco milk. Genius! We have double the power now. Huh? Go ahead and take the win already. Looks like Pinky realized a few seconds too late. Mel's already won? Wow! 10 seconds left. Sharky, do your thing. That's right. This thing's got an appetite for all things pink. Now let's get that guy out of here, shall we? Nice thinking, Pinkamena. And now you're mine! We both won! Donut time! Alright. You girls enjoy. You totally 100% earned it. Yum, 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 yum! Just like that. It's snack time! A mega donut for Rena. Yeah! And a cute pink little donut for Hale. With bubble paste. It's as sweet as can be. Oh, yes! Get that bad boy on! Nice and pink. Now for the taste test. Fantastic! Ah, yes! Rena! She's decorating too. Oreos galore! Sweet! I like the sound of that. Now bite! Ooh! Scrum-diddly-umptious. Haley, you gotta see this. Ugh, Rena's got a little bit of her snack on her teeth. The solution? Haley's toothpaste. Haley will help you out here. Super Tube to the rescue. Oh, goodness. Open up, Missy. Cheese! Oh, man. Haley! Well, the good news? The black is gone. The bad news? Well, your teeth are blinding and your face is… You know what? Never mind. Enjoy your snack. Haley's snack, that is. Those shinies sure do come in handy. Hey there, you two. Ready? Whoa, what is that? I guess there's something in there. And we're about to find out what it is. Go for it. Ooh, that is yummy. And it's almost gone. What now? Hey, it looks like Stacy's not quite done. Oh well. At least she's got this guy. Wait. Gotcha, Stace. Oh, no, she didn't, says Stacy. Oh, yes, I'm afraid she did. Ugh, no fair. Payback time, girl. Straws aren't the only thing this gator's good at grabbing. Real mature, you two. Real mature. Sigh. Hey, you two. Open. Chocolate for Miss Rena. Amazing! And macaroons, too? Lucky! What the world is that corn doing here? Good luck with that one, Hales. Meanwhile, Rena gets right down to business. You got it, girl. Decorate that mess. Yummy perfection. Enjoy. Yum. What do we do, Pinky? I am not eating that. Unless… I know what's going on. Hang tight, y'all. Ready? Whoosh! Only a couple of pops. It needs more firepower. Okay. There is one surefire way to go about this. Can you… Rena? Anything for a yummy snack. Hot! Here we go, girls! Heat! Ah! Oh my… Yeah! Let's hope this worked. Yeah, it better have. My face! Bam! That looks delish! Enjoy, girls! And to answer the question, yes, it was totally worth it. Nom nom! Open up! Wow! Look at these delicious pastries! Rena, Haley, you've got some work to do. Some totally yummy work. Go for it, Hales. Rena is not backing down. Jeez Louise, that plate didn't stand a chance. More! More! All gone. Sorry, Missy. Okay. Haley's cake ball? Nope, it's a ball. Disguised as cake. And Haley is about to bite into this rubber treat. Can't. Bite! Ah! And it pops away. Every which way. Whoopsie! Phew, that was a close one. All yours! Incoming! What goes around, comes around. Oh, brother. Look at that giant ice cream! And that cool black cake! Julie, have a bite! I know you wanna! You too, Stacy! I bet this is gonna be great! But you guys won't get off so easy!
Wow.
Spin the topping wheel and win super prizes! Stacy goes! Ready? Bubblegum popping candy! Get ready for a party! In your mouth! She puts it all over her cake! Ooh, pretty! This is gonna be awesome!
Oh yeah.
Time for the first bite! It lives up to the expectations! Go, Julie! Oh! No, it's not real toothpaste! It's candy! Thank goodness! This will go so well with Julie's ice cream cake! Put it on and let's eat! Ooh! Stacy! Cool! Yummy strawberry Pockies! Perfect for Stacy's terrific treat! Strawberry goodness! Oh yeah! Julie spins again. Drum roll, please! Ooh! Now, what is this? Oh gosh! Hot sauce? It's known for its super intensity! I'm not sure Jules can handle it. We'll be lucky if her cake doesn't melt.
Wow.
Oh my! Burning up in here! Spin, spin, spin! An ice-cold shake. That should do the trick. You okay? I know your taste buds will thank you. Oh, this poor girl. Phew! Let's take 10. Enjoy this fantabulous cakey creation. Oh, wow! Amazing, right? Dig in. What is it, Hale? Lollies? Something isn't quite right. Needs toppings. Say no more. Leave it up to chance and spin that topping wheel. Oh dear. Spin-a-rooney! Hey! Here's candies for ya! Yes! I think it's safe to say that Rena's a happy camper. Yum! Haley, why don't you give this puppy a spin? Okay, it would be much better if you didn't. Raw fish! Ah! Incoming! That smell! Someone hold me! Sorry, Miss Hale. That is a total bust. Rena, go again! And… that… oh, baby! It's time to smash! Are you ready, Miss Princess of Darkness? Bam! Boom! Pow! Now that is a perfect way to unload your stress. Anyone else glad they're not that cake? Jeez! Now there's only one thing left to do. Stuff your face with sweets! Haley, smash! Her cake remains are a lot less appetizing. Yucky! Blech! Ugh! What a darn shame! Ew! Sorry. Girls! Enjoy this super sweet treat. Rena's is a little interesting. She's got a tub of chalk. Phew! She could coat those pancakes 10 times over. Yummiest breakfast ever! Let's make a stack. Yes, that's a perfect idea. Hey, turn that frown upside down. You both have got some mighty fine snacks. Oh, a grater for the Max. Interesting. I wonder what our girl is planning. But I trust it'll be extraordinarily yummy. Meanwhile, Rena stacks them cakes. Haley is a stack snatcher. Whew, so not cool. She dusts them with her macaroon sprinkles. Oh, now that the color is pink, it's Haley's. You clever girl. All right, you win this one. I could go for another one of those. Or two. Double trouble. Rena's stack is soon to be no more. It's far too late. Pinky has a pancake skyscraper and a full happy belly. Sorry, Rena. Hey, ladies! Have some super noodles. Ooh, check out those kooky, crazy colors. Sweet! It needs some candy! Schmello's in. Now we're ready to rock! But not till after some strawberry sauce. Absolute yum! Way to go! Whip is a must, too. This is a real serious dessert you got going on. So tasty sweet! Are we finally ready to eat? Yes! Slurp! Oh, yeah! Oh boy, what do we have here? Okay, Spidey, do your thing! Hey, Hale! Rena tells her friend there's a spider in her pasta. Fine, let's trade, says Haley. Here you are! Rena's plan is working. She will enjoy Haley's yummy pasta. Huh? Oh, this is a fake spider! Rena, you're gonna get it! You done messed with the wrong spider. Web powers activate! Whoosh! Whoosh! Rena is not having a good time right now. Give me that pasta. Nom nom. Another day, another snack. Ready, set, go! Oh, brother. I've never seen pineapples like this before. How cool! Shall we have a taste? I think yes. Nice chop, Jules. Stacy likes the look of that. Beautiful pink fruit. It's so refreshing. Stacy, I am dying to see that dark black fruit. Come on. Chop, chop. Nice one. Oh, that looks so cool. I've never even heard of a black fruit before. And look, they're even a little green. Why not have a bite? Ready? Ooh! Julie's ready to spice it up. Bam! Julie summoned a chocolate fountain. Oh boy, it's dipping time! Julie takes her sweet treat and makes it chocolatey. That is deliciousness! Stacy, you want to try? Well, that's too bad. This is Julie's fountain. Time for Plan B. A straw? Stacy goes to drink from the fountain. Slurp! Julie doesn't even know how to stop this hooligan. Holy smokes! She sucked the fountain dry! Are you feeling okay, Stace? Poor Julie. It'll be okay. Oh, Stacy. Whoa! iPhone. And for Pinky, look! Gummy tummy bears! Watch this! Jess can catch anything in her mouth. Secret talent. Looks like Miss Mel is not too happy with her brand new phone. She opens the food app. Anything you want. Looks like both our girls are happy campers. Yum yum! Treaties galore! Eek! Jess? Jealous? Too bad. Rawr! This girl's wild! Let's see what she comes up with next. Hey, what's this button do? She turned Mel into a baby! What a cutie patootie! Oh, please don't cry! How do we get her back? Here! Baby plus candy equals… Hey, Mel's back! Hey! Let's decorate with some pancakes, ladies. Whoa! There's plenty of syrup to go around. Looks like Mel's got the goods. What's this? I see you! Wow! I see Mel cooking up a storm over there. So much sauce. Aw, Jess! Don't be sad. I'm drooling. Anybody else? Maybe next time. A candle? What you wishing for? She dreams of Mr. McDreamy. Ooh, he's just so handsome and sweet and… No! Snap out of it before… Well, Vacuum's out. There's no saving those cakes now. While Mel's dreaming the day away, just sucks up all the syrup and makes this dream a little less sweet. What's going on here? Oh, goodness gracious. Hey, you snooze, you lose. Pancakes with a side of dust, anybody? Open sesame. Oh, nugs! Yes, yes! Haven't seen a Happy Meal like this before. Dig in, ladies. The snacks are all yours. Oh, baby, they're good. But it's missing something. She's ready to splurge on some sauce. Got it! Not if Rena can help it. Banana booby trap. Chris, watch out! Too late. Ah! Ninja transformation! Let's show him what you got. She grabs the bottles out of the air. Didn't miss a beat. Holy smokes, it's impressive. Haley, I give up now. Whee! Yummy, yummy cakes. Ooh, ah! Shall we dig in? I think yes. Wait. Haley pops out her purse. Gotta touch up on that blush. And you know what else? Her makeup is totally made of chocolate. Wow! Keep those treats coming. Fiery red lips made of cherry chocolate. This is gonna be the sweetest cake ever! Keep going, Hale. So pretty. Nice! Rena likes what she sees. And now… watch this! What the… whoa! Man, that is one heck of a makeup artist. Rena, she wants that look too. Okay! Ah! Rena, no! Absolutely no! Right idea, wrong execution. What a mess! Did anyone say goodie bags? Because we've got plenty, to say the least. Go ahead, open up! Wow! So many fun candies! And they're all pink, like Julie! Score! Ring Pops are Julie's absolute fave. How lucky she got! Julie pours out her goods. Oh boy! Unicorn sucker! Mystic-alicious! Stacy is hyped up. Look at all these dark candies. Don't be fooled by their gloomy look. They are as sweet as can be. Let's eat! Oh, trust us when we say Stacy's having the best day ever. You think you want to open another? Of course! Juicy drops. Get ready to blast off with those crazy flavors. Stacy can hardly wait. What flavor first? It's hard to decide. A pink one. Ooh! Julie just can't wait to open another. Oh, score! Canned candy! Oh man! So good! Stacy goes to open the last one and there's nothing in it! Nothing at all! Come on! Whatever. Julie tries to comfort her friend. Oh, she's got a plan! Magic! Magicus! Holy smokes! Just wait till you see what's inside. Pink versus black! What a wonderful cake! The girls are as happy as clams. Oh, wonderful work, Julie. Open, Sessa. Whoa! Holy eyeballs! Icky, yucky, squishy! Mel, how are those Spideys treating ya? Oh man, you are something else. Ha! I know they're gummies, but man, I still get the heebie-jeebies. All done. Jess, good luck with those. Oh no! The eye, it got flung all the way into… oh no! This is gonna be quite the surprise for Buddy Boy over here. Hee hee. Again? This time our victim's the unsuspecting Carrie. She's just trying to kick back and relax with some skin brightening techniques. Oh man, here goes. Daddy! Ah! Hey, what? Huh? Just give it up. Oh, God. No! She's choking! Jess, help! Wait, no! Not with the plunger! Okay, crew, let's take 5. What a day! Now, as we promised, our bloopers. We so enjoy making these videos for you all, so we would love it if you'd hit that bell and leave us a sub. And don't forget to drop a comment. We love to read your thoughts about the channel. All right, we'll see you next time. Peace!